We will check torque boost. Now what is torque boost? Sometimes at lower frequencies the motor is unable to make movement due to the load. So by increasing the torque boost, we are actually remapping the voltage to frequency graph. So that means by the increase of torque boost percentage, the voltage will increase at lower frequencies. So let's check practically. So I will put the frequency to 10 Hz and I will make the selector switch to forward position. Now we note that the voltage at 10 Hz is 63 volt. I will put it to stop. Next I will press mode and I will scroll down to parameter DRV number 16. I will enter and I will put it 2%. And I will make it forward, and we see that it reached to 70 volt. Before it was 63 volt. Now I will change the frequency. I will put 50 Hz and I will make forward. So we note that the voltage is 318. So I will put the torque boost different level. I will put it 8%. And now let's see how much effect it took on 50 Hz. So there is a slight change. So that's what I meant by the lower frequencies, that at lower frequency the change will be significant. Just be cautious while setting the torque boost. We don't need to set it too high, otherwise the motor can get overheating. We discussed DRV16, which is for the forward direction. However, in the case of reverse direction, similar parameter exists, which is DRV17.